Good morning, students. You are looking here some circular thing. This is a mirror, and at the back, silver polishing is carried out. Over the silver polishing, one supported paint is carried out. The same type of plain mirror I have placed in my experimental setup to explain the activities of the chapter. I have placed the plane mirror vertically by means of this supporter over the graph paper with the help of this cello tape. Here I am taking this pen as the object. You will see that towards the mirror I am placing this pen. You are finding something at the back of mirror also. At the back of mirror you will find the image of pen. If I am keeping this pen away from this plane mirror, the image is also moving away from the plane mirror. So this type of thing which we are observing in the mirror is known as image of the mirror, which is forming at the back of mirror, but at the back of mirror we cannot take it over the screen. Okay, and you will see that the size of this pan and image of pan, that is almost or exactly similar. So plane mirror, what it work? Plane mirror form the image exactly similar size, whatever is the size of object, the same image we are finding. Now in the activity 15.3, we will see that how the distance of image will change over the graph paper. I have put a point at 1 centimeter distance. You can see here 1 centimeter distance from the mirror, then 2 centimeter, then 3 centimeter distance, then 4. I am putting a dot of with pen. It's a real pen. So after each 1 centimeter, I am putting a dot. Now mirror is also here. I am keeping my object at 3 centimeter apart. You will find the distance of image also, that it is also 3 centimeter apart. Now if I will put at 5 centimeter, then distance of image is also 5 centimeter. 7 centimeter, then distance of image is also 7 centimeter. So this activity is proving that as the distance of object is changed, as far as it is from the mirror, the image is also moving far and far from the mirror. This you can see your face in mirror. Suppose you are moving far from the mirror, then your image will also move far from the mirror. So this activity is proving that if we are changing the position of our object, then the same type of changes will occur in the image. Okay, thank you.